In this MetaMask tutorial, I am going to show you how to use MetaMask to send and receive various cryptocurrency. I will also show you how to use various features of MetaMask. So let's not waste any more time and get started. The first thing we need to do is open any browser. Make sure you are connected to internet. Go to the website metamask.io. Then click on the download icon. After that, choose which device you are using. I am currently using my desktop, so I will choose Chrome. After that, just scroll down and click on Install MetaMask for Chrome. Wait for a few seconds and you will get this extension. After that, click on Add to Chrome icon and then click on Add Extension and then wait for a few seconds. The extension will get downloaded and get added to your Chrome browser. After this, you will find this interface. You just need to click on Get Started and then, if you want to read this information, you may read. For now, I am going to click on I agree. You will land on this page. If you already have your secret recovery phrase, then you need to click Import Wallet, but for the purposes of this video, I am going to create a new wallet. For this, click on Create a Wallet icon here. And then write down the password you want to choose for this account and confirm it. After that, click on this box and then click Create. You will land on this page. Then click on Next icon here. You will be redirected to this page. This is secret recovery phrase. You must need to keep this phrase very safely. Here are tips given. Must write this on a piece of paper and keep this very safe. Don't share this to anyone, otherwise you will lose all your money from this wallet. To get this phrase, click on this area. After you have written this, click on Next. Now, you have to confirm your secret recovery phrase by clicking them in the same order as you got. After that, click on Confirm. You will get this page, just click on All Done. You will be redirected to this page. This is the dashboard of your wallet. If you want to buy any cryptocurrency, you need to click on Buy icon. You can buy any cryptocurrency from here, but it will cost a lot in transaction fees. To avoid this, you can buy cryptocurrency from your exchange and then send from there to your MetaMask account. If you want to buy directly from MetaMask, you can buy. Many people buy directly from here. Now, let's move to our next icon. If you want to send cryptocurrency to any account, you can click on this Send icon and paste the address of that account and then type the amount you want to send. And then click on Next icon. By this way, you can send the cryptocurrency. To swap between any cryptocurrency, you need to click on this swap icon and then fill the amount and select the coin you want to swap. And then select in which coin you want to swap to and click on Review Swap icon below. This is the Assets column. All the cryptocurrency and NFT that you will have, you can see here. Click on the Activity icon to see your all activity of this wallet. Now, click on this icon in the right corner at the top and then click on View Account on Ethereum. You will be redirected to this website. You can see all the transactions done here on this website. To know account details, just click on the icon here. You will get this. If you want to export your private key, then click on this and you can easily do. To know how many sites are connected to your wallet, click on this icon Connected Sites and you can see. Here my account is not connected to any sites. Now, to change the network you are currently in, click on this icon and then you can easily add the network if you want to add. I prefer to use this Ethereum network, so I will not be changing this for now. Now, if you want to create another account, you can click on this icon and then click on Create Account. You can type the name of the another account, but for now I just keep this name and click on Create. You have finally created your second account also. To navigate between your both account, click on this icon above and click the account you want to use. Now I am using our first account. You can see your public code above right on the top here. 2. Copy this, just left click, and yes, you have finally copied it. You will be able to send money to your wallet using this public code. In case if you forgot your recovery phrase, you can click on this icon and then go and click on settings, then select security and privacy and then click on the icon reveal secret recovery phrase. After that, enter the password and you will able to get your recovery phrase. But for now I don't need this phrase as I have already written it, that's why I will just click on cancel. If you want to connect your wallet to any website to buy or create any NFT, go to that website and connect it. For the purposes of this video, I am going to connect my wallet to OpenC and show you. To do this, go to the website openc.io and then click on the wallet icon. After that, select on the metamask icon and wait for few seconds. Select the account you want to connect to your metamask account and then click on next and then click connect. You will get this interface, just click on accept and sign. Scroll down and click on sign. Congratulations! You have finally connected your wallet to your OpenC account. If you have any query, you can comment below and I will reply to your all query. I will continuously bring more videos like this. Please make sure subscribe to our channel to further updates. Bye.